If you're seeing the X.com or Twitter error that says your account has temporarily hit the maximum number of posts you can view, send, or track, don't worry, this is usually just a temporary rate limit. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fix so you can get back to using your account as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. The simplest solution is to close the app completely and wait. In most cases, the limit clears on its own after about 15 to 60 minutes. So if you've been scrolling, posting, searching, or refreshing too much, give X some time to reset the limit on your account. While you wait, the best thing to do is avoid repeated refreshes, repeated searches, or trying the same action over and over, because that can keep triggering the same message. Once the waiting period is over, open X again and try to use the app normally. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is log out of your account completely. After you've logged out, close the app, then log back in again. This simple sign out and sign in process can help refresh your session and clear temporary account issues. Most users find that this is enough to fix the rate limit exceeded message and restore normal access. So to recap, first close X and wait for 15 to 60 minutes, then log out and log back in if needed. That's the fastest way to handle this error without overcomplicating it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.